Hello and welcome to this beginner's guide on how to buy and sell cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency has been around for over a decade, but many people still find it daunting to buy and sell. However, with a little bit of knowledge and guidance, anyone can start trading cryptocurrency. In this video, we will explain how to buy and sell cryptocurrency safely and securely, from choosing the right exchange to managing your cryptocurrency portfolio. So, let's get started. Understanding cryptocurrency. Before we dive into how to buy and sell cryptocurrency, it's important to understand what cryptocurrency is. In simple terms, cryptocurrency is a digital currency that uses cryptography to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. Cryptocurrency is decentralized, which means it's not controlled by a central authority like a bank or government. Instead, transactions are verified by a network of computers around the world. Choosing an exchange. To buy and sell cryptocurrency, you need to use a cryptocurrency exchange. There are hundreds of exchanges out there, so it's important to choose one that is safe, reputable, and user-friendly. Some of the most popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. When choosing an exchange, you should consider factors like fees, security, customer support, and the number of cryptocurrencies available for trading. Setting up your account. Once you've chosen an exchange, the next step is to set up your account. This typically involves providing some personal information and verifying your identity. The exact process varies depending on the exchange, but most exchanges require you to provide your name, address, and date of birth. You will also need to provide a form of identification, such as a passport or driver's license. Once your account is set up, you can start depositing funds and buying cryptocurrency. Depositing funds. To buy cryptocurrency, you need to deposit funds into your exchange account. Most exchanges accept fiat currency, like USD or EUR, as well as cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. The exact deposit options vary depending on the exchange, but most exchanges support bank transfers, credit cards, and debit cards. It's important to note that each deposit method comes with its own fees and processing times, so be sure to check the details before making a deposit. Buying cryptocurrency. Once you've deposited funds into your exchange account, you can start buying cryptocurrency. The exact process varies depending on the exchange, but most exchanges allow you to buy cryptocurrency using fiat currency or other cryptocurrencies. To buy cryptocurrency, you'll need to choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy, enter the amount you want to spend, and confirm the transaction. It's important to note that the price of cryptocurrency can be volatile, so it's important to do your research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Selling cryptocurrency. Selling cryptocurrency is similar to buying cryptocurrency. You simply choose the cryptocurrency you want to sell, enter the amount you want to sell, and confirm the transaction. The proceeds will be deposited into your exchange account, which you can then withdraw to your bank account or another cryptocurrency wallet. It's important to note that selling cryptocurrency can trigger capital gains taxes, so be sure to consult with a tax professional if you're unsure about your tax obligations. Managing your cryptocurrency portfolio. Once you start buying and selling cryptocurrency, you'll need to keep track of your portfolio. This means monitoring the value of your cryptocurrency holdings, making trades when necessary, and keeping your cryptocurrency safe and secure. Many exchanges offer portfolio management tools, which can help you track the performance. And make sure to hit like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.